Shout out to the amazing Jordan that I just seen. I just met Jordan at the Dollar Tree. Okay, shout out to you, Jordan. You was a cool dude. Now, let's get back into these finds. So, today we in Philly. We moving and grooving our feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Let's get into it, shall we? Did you guys see these soft bunnies? Ain't acting funny. So cute. How we looking? How we looking? We styling and profiling, aren't we? This is the song that never ends. It just go on and on, my friend. You remember that when you was a kid? Lamb chop. Oh. Honey, it's the styrofoam for me. Look at this. The bunny that wants all the tea. Just out here styling and profiling. Oh yes, get into it. Get into it. Dollar Tree has also these gorgeous tabletop decor that comes in 2 different colors. They have the white and then they also have the yellow. Love this with the bunnies. I don't know who's doing the scents at Dollar Tree, but when I tell you this smells absolutely delicious. This is the warm pumpkin spice. It smells just like pumpkin spice. It smells absolutely amazing. When I tell you Dollar Tree ain't doing nothing but showing out for you and me. Honey, honey, honey. I need somebody to explain this to me. Who's behind it? So, honey, this smells good. Oh, girls, this smells good. Really, this is the cranberry sugared cranberries aluminum-free deodorant. Oh, honey, but there's way more where that came from. Ooh, you looking for a chocolate sweet treat. Listen, this is the mocha. Honey, we fancy over here. Mocha mousse. What you putting on your underarms? Mocha mousse. This is ain't no stopping us now. We on the move. Now, this is $1.25. Notes of chocolate and coffee. How you like that? You like that? Oh. So I ain't doing nothing but, you know, a little styling and profiling. You know what I'm saying? Just a little styling and profiling. And of course, eating. So if you guys haven't seen yet, Dollar Tree has the Mr. Beats. Okay, this is the Feastables, the creamy peanut butter cups. Now, when they say creamy, I mean they really meant creamy. Like, if you are a huge fan of peanut butter, this is right up your alley. $1.50. They have 2 different kinds. They have the creamy peanut butter cups, and then they also have the milk chocolate. I had got the creamy peanut butter cups. I got the perfect thing for you, like a chicken wing. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite color. You like? This one is by far the favorite. Love this. If you guys are looking for the new scents at Dollar Tree, the hand sanitizers, the doopity doop of Touchland, oh my goodness, they have the new scents here. And it is the jasmine dragon fruit scented. Oh yes. They also have the Brazilian caramel scented. This is so good. How freaking cute are these Star Wars bandanas for the pets? Honey, they have so many different ones. Look at this Star Wars. Check it out. Honey. They also have Pet Patrol. What about Smurfs? Oh, isn't it fancy? And Dollar Tree also have these SpongeBob SquarePants pet bowl placements, Garfield, and then they also have Paw Patrol. These are really nice and soft. Love this. My loves, have you seen these? These are Garfield 2-pack bag chips, and they are huge. They also have the Minnie Mouse Lucky Cookie 2-pack. They have the Minnie Mouse, and then they also have the Mickey and the Minnie. And then they also have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yes! New items at Dollar Tree. Honey, did you see these? The wooden spoons and stuff, the cooking utensils. Honey, Gibson Home. I don't know who Gibson is. This is $1.25 a piece. Necklace and bracelet making kit, 19 pieces. In your face. This kit is going to have you definitely profiling. Look at this. Did you guys see this? This is the bracelet making kit. Ooh, moving on up. Now, black and white beads. They also have the gold beads going on in there. Really cute. So, my loves, you travel a lot. Come on down to Dollar Tree. You see this? This is the hanging travel bag, right? Now, you can put your undies in here, your socks in here, perfumes in here, your hair accessories. You can roll this up and put this in your suitcase. This is amazing. You going to use somebody's bathroom, or you use the public restrooms, and maybe you feel a little, self-conscious about that. Look at this. So Dollar Tree has the Doopity Doop, the Poopery spray, okay, Poopery bowl spray. This is Stinky bowl spray. These are $1.50. They come in 3 different scents. They have the Tropical Garden, they have the Lavender. This is so cute. And the Citrus Blast from the past, $1.50. Loved it. Next item up. If you're in pain, you know somebody that's in pain, Dollar Tree has these little bags, okay? These are the pain relief ice packs. They soothe bruises, swelling, $1.25. They come in 2 different colors, the blue and also the red. Check that out. This is great for my eyeshadow makeup users, okay? Dollar Tree has these eyelid cleansing wipes, pocket size. You can just draw a few in your bag or in your pocket. 15 individually wrapped wipe cleanses oily residue and debris around the eyelids and lash area. $1.25 for 15. If you guys are looking for essential oils, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have these essential oil blend rolled on. Now, this does have eucalyptus and peppermint. These are $1.25. So, you guys looking for doopity doops? Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. This is the doopity doop of Neutrogena, okay? This is the hydrating lip oil from Be Pure, $1.25. Ain't we movie groovy? I heard you was looking for body wash. You want to set the tone with the bubble bath, okay? You just a fancy one like that with the champagne glass, okay? You got that TV in their bathroom? I know you do. Listen, Dollar Tree has the eucalyptus mint, okay? How about that? Foaming bath with Epsom salt, spa luxury, okay? And look a little loosey-loose, like a goose. They also have the Lush Lavender one as well. This is $1.25. Lavender is definitely my thing, like a chicken wing. You like to smell good. You like to smell lovely. You want to smell really good, right? When you walk past, you want the people to be like, oh, dang, who is that? Honey, did you see this? The Brazilian cornstarch. All right, yeah, cornstarch. None of that tack stuff or whatever. This is the shower powder Brazilian sun. Let me see. Super absorbent, all-day freshness, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. Oh, yes. They also have the vanilla, and that's word to the mother and the brother, soft vanilla, $1.25. Oh, child.